Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and updating software. This avoids wasted steps later. With the engine or ACC on, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, unlock it, and keep it nearby. On the Audi MMI or infotainment screen, choose the phone or CarPlay pairing option. Once selected, the system will search for devices. Follow on-screen prompts. Accept the pairing request on both the MMI and the iPhone, and make sure you grant permission for contacts and notifications so CarPlay functions correctly. Once the device appears on the MMI, tap your iPhone name and verify the PIN code shown on both screens. This prevents connecting the wrong phone. Make sure you allow CarPlay on the iPhone when prompted by going to Settings General CarPlay if the system asks. If you prefer wired CarPlay, plug the phone into the Audi's USB port after Bluetooth pairing completes. The system will switch to CarPlay automatically. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is configured the way you want. Finish by confirming the CarPlay home screen is visible and that Siri responds to a long press of the voice button. This verifies full functionality. If CarPlay fails to appear, unplug and replug the USB cable, reboot both the iPhone and the Audi MMI, and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These quick resets often clear handshaking errors. If problems persist, update iOS or MMI firmware and retry pairing. One key tip: test a known good lightning cable to rule out a faulty wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.